Just imagine a world where everything suddenly comes to a standstill. What if Earth, our home, stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? What would happen? What would the consequences be? Now we are going to stop spinning of the Earth for just 5 seconds. Are you ready? The regular cycle of day and night that we experience on Earth is a result of the planet's fundamental motion, which has been going on for around 4.6 billion years. Rotation on its axis, angular momentum, which sustains Earth's rotation and keeps everything in motion, is the force behind this rotation. One full rotation of the Earth occurs every 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4.09053 seconds on its axis. However, there would be disastrous effects if Earth were to stop rotating all of a sudden. There would be tremendous turbulence over everything on the surface if there was no rotational momentum. The strongest winds ever recorded would be experienced by both mobile and stationary objects, reaching up to 1,000 miles per hour close to the equator. Due to Earth's slightly bulged shape at the equator, the sudden halt in rotation would cause water to rush towards the poles, triggering massive tsunamis. When Earth resumes its spin, this water would surge back, causing further devastation. Even though the North and South poles might experience milder winds compared to the equatorial regions, the aftermath of the event would still be catastrophic. Buildings, technology, and farmland would be obliterated, leaving behind a world devoid of food or shelter. An apocalypse of biblical proportions with the survival rate close to zero. Despite the alarming scenario, scientists reassure us that Earth is unlikely to experience such an abrupt stop in rotation anytime soon. In fact, the more pressing concern lies with the eventual fate of the Sun, which will likely undergo transformation into a red giant long before Earth's rotation ceases. So, for now, we can find solace in the steady and predictable spin that defines our existence on this planet. Imagine that the Earth suddenly stops rotating, plunging us into a world devoid of the day and night cycle that we are accustomed to. The sun sets and a strange, never-ending darkness descends upon the world. Will I survive in this new world? It's an intimidating idea. We would be thrown into an unimaginably difficult post-apocalyptic struggle for survival. Our ecosystems would collapse, food supplies would run out, and society as a whole would disintegrate if there was no rotation. That situation sounds like something from a nightmare. However, there is a gleam of optimism among the pandemonium. When the debris launched by Earth's sudden stop starts to pick up speed, it eventually finds its way into orbit around the sun. These remnants of our shattered world become a testament to the resilience of life, persevering against all odds in the vast expanse of space. But there's another crucial aspect to consider. As the debris from Earth's sudden pause begins to reassemble, it emits energy. This released heat could lead to unforeseen consequences with the potential to reshape our planet's landscape, fundamentally altering everything we know. Picture this: as the fragments of Earth reaccrete, they generate significant amounts of heat. This heat, once released, could trigger a series of transformative events. It can change the path of rivers and oceans, remodel mountain ranges, and melt ice caps. The building debris may generate a new geological environment and mold the Earth's surface in ways that have never been seen before as it reforms and radiates heat. It is possible for entire continents to move, coastlines to alter, and ecosystems to experience drastic changes. Essentially, the heat produced by this process has the potential to have significant and wide-ranging impacts, changing the delicate balance of life as we know it and changing the very topography of our world. In this new reality, everything we know could be altered beyond recognition. The consequences of Earth's momentary pause reverberate throughout the ages, leaving an indelible mark on the planet we call home. when the planet returns to its full rotation, that water would backtrack, slamming into everything and everyone twice. The only safe place might be near the North or South Poles, where winds would be mildest. But even with the Earth's return to normal rotation, there would be nothing left. Buildings, farmland, technology, all demolished beyond recognition. In this apocalyptic scenario, billions of people would likely perish from the brute force of the winds. So if you're looking to survive, you better start building that underground bunker. Luckily, it's expected that Earth won't come to a halt anytime soon, at least not in the next few billion years. Before that, the sun will burn out and turn into a red giant. So if you want to continue receiving updates like this, subscribe to our channel, use your brain.